The DJI Neo has just been fully exposed. We have all the specs, prices, the official release date, and even a full hands-on unboxing video. I'll show you everything here, so let's get into it. First, let's talk about the Neo's design. It's made out of a single-piece plastic frame similar to the Avatar 2, featuring integrated prop guards with removable top covers and a one-axis gimbal up front. At the top, we can find 6 backlighted icons, indicating the selected flight mode when using it without the remote. And at the bottom, we can see the battery and the positioning sensors. Let's move on to the drone specs. Starting with the camera, the Neo will be equipped with a 0.5 inches, 12-megapixel sensor, capable of recording in 4K up to 30 frames per second, with a 118-degree field of view. It won't feature an SD card slot. Instead, only an integrated 22GB memory. Moving on to the drone's details, it will weigh 135 grams, and this is how big it will be compared to other drones. The flight time will be 18 minutes in normal mode, and one charge will allow the drone to perform at least 20 smart flight shots. It will resist up to level 4 winds at 8 meters per second speed, and it will also feature the C0 class certification. Speaking about flight modes, the DJI Neo will fly in 4 different ways. Without the controller, only using the smart flight modes. With the DJI Fly app, using touch controls on your phone. With the RCN3 controller. And finally, in FPV mode, with the motion controller, or in acro mode with the standard FPV remote controller 3, flying at a maximum speed of 16 meters per second. There will also be voice control, but it's not sure if it will work with the DJI Fly app or directly on the drone. The transmission protocol used will be the O4, allowing backwards compatibility with the RCN2, but it's still not sure if it will be compatible with the RC2, with integrated screen. Let's now have a closer look at the DJI Neo, with a hands-on unboxing video, made by an Italian YouTuber who purchased the drone in Malaysia. I'll leave his tag here on the screen right now. Go watch his full video for more details. Here, I will only show you some clips.
Connect to DJI Fly to activate aircraft.
Now we know the drone will feature a built-in speaker. Makes sense for knowing the flight mode selected, or for voice control maybe. We'll see. Here's a closer look at the bottom part and the battery. And here's the startup sound. I'll link his video in the description below so you can check it out. So, the DJI Neo will be the direct competitor to the Hover Air X1 series drones. But the main advantage of the Neo is its price, only $199 for the drone-only version. For comparison, the Hover Air X1 Pro is priced at around $400, and the Pro Max at around $600. But they will only fly with quick shots, not an FPV or with a proper controller. Even the Fly More Combo version of the Neo will be cheaper than the Hover, priced at around $350 with 3 batteries and the controller. That's just an unbeatable deal for a 4-in-1 drone. Finally, the official release date is September 5th, confirmed today by DJI. So if the DJI Neo leak series was helpful, drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel to support my work on reporting all the drones and tech leaks. I post every update on the channel's community tab as soon as the leaks come out, so stay tuned for the next DJI products.